Very good morning, children. Yesterday we studied the present tense. So today we will continue with the past tense and the future tense. Past tense has four types. The first one is simple past tense, is also known as past indefinite tense. Second, past continuous tense. Third, past perfect tense. And fourth is past perfect continuous tense. So we'll talk about each tense in detail. First, simple past tense. Simple past tense means the activity, the action which started in the past and is already completed in the past. We'll see the form subject plus verb to second form of the main verb is your past tense. Examples: I loved to watch cartoons. So here, this loved indicates that this action is already completed in the past. We reached on time. So this action of reaching is already completed in the past. He bought a new house. So action of buying a new house is already completed action. They did not attend the class today. So here did is there, students, because this sentence is negative. For framing the negative sentence in the simple past tense, we need to have did not plus verb ka first form. So here why verb ka first form? Because did is added over there. So here in simple past tense we have v2 for the positive sentences and did not plus v1 for the negative sentences. So here with each and every subject, either singular or plural, you have to use second form of the main verb. Let's see the next tense. It's past continuous tense. So here in past continuous tense, this is an unfinished ongoing action in the past. It means that ऐसा कोई action जो past में begin हुआ है और वो unfinished हुआ है past में. और ongoing means continue. Already students we know that कि कंटिन्यूस का मतलब ही होता है कि जो भी चीजें प्रोग्रेस में हो, कंटिन्यूएशन में हो. सो ये पास्ट में एक्टिविटी कंटिन्यूएशन में थी. एग्जाम्पल, दे वर टॉकिंग विथ ईच अदर. जैसे मैंने जब देखा तो वो लोग बातें कर रहे थे, अब मैं नहीं जानती हूँ. सो दिस वॉज पास्ट एक्टिविटी विच वॉज इन कंटिन्यूएशन, विच वॉज ऑन गोइंग एक्शन. सो दे वर टॉकिंग विथ ईच अदर. शी वॉज प्लानिंग टू बाय अ न्यू हाउस. सो हियर planning took place in the past only. I was learning to play musical instrument. So in the past I was learning. Next it was raining heavily. So in past it was raining. So all these are your past continuous tense. Let's see the next. So with he, she, it and I, we have to use was, and with they, you, we have to use were. Next is your past perfect tense. Now what is past perfect tense? It means that action which started in the past and is already completed over there must be for. Form is had plus V3. Means you will have only one auxiliary verb over here, that is had, and you will have third form of the main verb. Third form means in ed form. So we have examples over here. They had visited the museum. So in the past they had visited. So this is V3. She had learned French. So it's French language. So learn, this is your V3. I had finished the lunch. So here finished is your V3. So with each and every subject in past perfect tense you will have had. There is no uh, topic, there is no talks related to singular or plural. Here you will have each and every subject, either singular or plural, you will have had. Let's see the next, past perfect continuous tense. Now here past perfect continuous tense means the action which begin in the past, okay, and the second action is in continuation. So here we will talk about the two actions. One action is over, one action is completed, the other action is in continuous. Let's see the form. Subject plus had been plus v4. V4 means ing form of the main verb, your fourth form. So here we have example, we had been playing all day, so we got tired. So here the sentence is talking about the two actions. One action is getting tired. The other action is of playing, had been playing. So here one action is completed. Which action is completed? Got. Okay, so we are already tired now. Why? Because we had been playing all the day. So हम लोग दिन भर खेल रहे थे. That's why we got tired. So one action is over and the other is in continuation. The next example, you had been walking for 3 hours on the beach. So here 3 hours, okay, walking. Next, we had been being friends since childhood. So here, childhood is over and still we are friends. I had not been studying after Diwali vacation. So Diwali vacation is over and still I am not studying. So this is your past perfect continuous tense. It means the action which started in the past and the second action is still in continuation. Okay, students. So with this, we have completed our past tense. So 4 types of past tense we have studied. Now we'll solve few questions. The first is identify the tense. Now this slide will have all the types of tenses related to past tense only. So we need to focus on 4 past tense. I was attending the class. So here was attending. This is your V4. I prepared the design. So this is your V2. Aarti was happy to hear the news. Here you have only one verb here, was. Reena was singing in the show, was singing. This is your V4 with auxiliary verb, was. Divya wrote the letter. This is the second form of writing, write. Pratham had been cooking the meal before we reached there. So had been cooking. This is your V4. Seema attended the program. Attended, this is your V2. Tina performed in the show. So performed, this is your V2. So with this, I hope students you have identified the simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Now we'll check the answers. The first is your past continuous. The second is simple past tense. Third is simple past tense. Fourth, past continuous tense. Fifth, simple past tense. Sixth, past perfect continuous tense. And seventh, simple past tense. And the last one, simple past tense. Okay, students. Now we'll see how to interchange the tenses in the past tense. So we'll have questions related to change the tense as instructed. Now here, I was attending the class. Students, in the previous slide we studied that this was your continuous tense, past continuous. Now we have to change this tense to simple past tense. Now what is the form of the simple past tense? You will have V2. Okay, so this attending will become attended. So your answer is I attended the class. Next, I prepared the design. Okay, so this is your V2. V2 means simple past tense. So you have to change this to continuous tense. So prepared will become preparing and you have to use helping verb was. So I was preparing the design. Reena was singing in the show. So this is your continuous tense, past continuous tense. And you have to change this past continuous tense to perfect tense, past perfect. So here you will have your V3. Perfect means V3 with helping verb. And you have only one helping verb, that is had. So singing became sung here. Next, Divya wrote the letter. Wrote, this is your V2. V2 means your simple past tense. And you have to change this to perfect continuous. Okay. So perfect continuous is V4. Okay. And you have your had helping verb and you have to add been. So your had been writing. Next, Pratham had been cooking the meal. Hello, madam.
Yes.
मैडम प्लीज आप माइक अनम्यूट करेंगे. Okay, so your Pratham had been cooking the meal. So your had been, this is your fourth form, and this is your perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and you have to change this to simple past tense. Now simple past tense means V2. So your cooking will become cooked. So your Pratham cooked the meal. Seema attended the program. Seema attended the and you have to continuous means V4. V4. So Seema was attending the program. With singular, I have used here was. Next, Tina performed in the show. Now perform, this is your V2. And you have to change to perfect tense. Perfect means your V3. So performed is performed only in the third form. And your answer is Tina had performed in the show. Now we'll see the next tense, that is our future tense. So future tense, you have four subdivision. Simple future tense, this is also known as future indefinite. Future continuous tense, this is also known as progressive. Continuous is also known as progressive. Future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Now we'll see the first one, simple future tense. Simple future tense means the action which plays in future. So here you will have subject. With subject either you will have will or shall and V1. So will be there for prediction. Okay. So when you will have, if in future tense when you have your will auxiliary verb, it means it is predicted. It means it may take place in future. And the other use is of going to. When you will have going to, it means that planned activity which I have already planned and I'm going to activity. I'm going to do that action. We'll see the examples. I will win the match. This is prediction. Maybe I will win or I will lose. So this is prediction. I will win the match. He is going to play football. This is planned activity. That I have my planning that today I will play football. So is going to means your future tense. She will paint her house next week. This is prediction. Okay, maybe she won't. So your will paint is your future tense. So future tense you will have either will or shall and be one. Now let's see the next tense, future continuous tense. Now your future continuous tense, your form is subject plus will or shall plus be plus V4. So this is your continuous tense. So you will have V4 and one word added is there, that is your be. We'll see the examples. It will be raining tomorrow. So here tomorrow, action of raining will start in future and it will continue in future only. So here it will be raining tomorrow. Action will occur in future and it will continue for certain time. Here raining action will begin in future or it will continue for a expected. We will be working on our project next Saturday. So here next Saturday we will be working. So we will start next Saturday and we will complete it in an expected time period. It shall be coming tomorrow. So your action of coming will take place in future and it will continue in future for an expected time. The next is your future perfect. Future perfect tense means completion before a specified time in future. Means the activity which will begin in future, which will take place in the complete specified time in future. So here we have formed will or shall plus have. We'll see the example. They will have arrived at the hotel by now. Okay. So this is your prediction that they will have arrived at the hotel now. So will have plus V3. I shall have eaten the breakfast. V3. Shall have V3. I will have finished my project by 8 in the evening. So here I will have plus V3. So your future perfect tense means completion before a specific time in future. So here a specified time now. Now ये specified है 8 in the evening. This is specified कि ये action start होगा future में और 8 in the evening your future perfect tense. Now the last tense is your future perfect continuous tense. Action that will have started, okay, will have continued sometime and will be in progress. ऐसा एक्शन जो स्टार्ट होगा, कंटिन्यू होगा कुछ टाइम और प्रोग्रेस में रहेगा फॉर फ्यूचर. Will have, shall have, been. So here you will have been plus before. We'll see the example. By next June, we shall have been living here for 6 years. Okay? By next June, मतलब next मतलब अब जून है, आने वाले जून, हम 6 years से रह रहे होंगे. Here इसका मतलब 6 years complete हो जाएगा जून में. तो एक्शन, तो लिविंग का जो एक्शन है वो पहले स्टार्ट हो गया है, अभी भी रह रहे हैं और फ्यूचर में रहेंगे till June. So हमें 6 years complete होगा. So here 3 aspects are there. Will have stayed, so he started living there, okay, and continue till now, and maybe in future I will continue with living there. So here 3 aspects are there. By the end of this year, so this year, he will have been acting for 20 years. So this year 20 years complete हो जाएगा अगर एक्टिंग कंटिन्यू रखा तो. She will have been waiting for me. So will have been waiting. This is before. Okay. So here, students, we have covered today past tense and future. So first is identify the tense. We shall move to another city. Now here we have shall plus V1. So in future tense, you will have V1 where? In your simple future tense. Now next, he will come to Mumbai tomorrow. Will plus V1. V1 means simple future tense. Now next, will be playing. So your will be playing. Playing means before. So we have before in continuous tense. Which continuous tense is this? This is your future continuous tense because with will, be is added. Next, she will be watching TV when I come home. So here will be watching. Okay. So future continuous tense. Next, before I go to see her, she will have left the place. So will have plus V3. So here this is a perfect tense, future perfect tense. Next, they will have finished making the bridge by January. So here January they will have finished. So will have plus V3. Which tense is this? This is your future perfect tense. Next, I will have been singing different kinds of song before you join us. So will have been plus before. So before continuous tense, but here you have been. So this is your perfect continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Okay, students. So with this, we have come to the last question. I will have been attending the program before I come here. So will have been plus V4. This is your continuous tense. And which continuous tense? Perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Okay, students. So with this, we have completed. So now we have second slide, which will have your change the tense as instructed. Now here we will talk about only the future tense. So future tense, we have 4 subtypes, that is simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So we'll talk about only these 4 in this slide. We show another sequence. Now we'll first identify ये कौन सा tense है. This is shall and V1. V1 is simple future tense. Now we have to change this tense to continuous tense, future continuous. Continuous means your before. So move will become moving. So your shall be moving. Next, he will come to Mumbai. So will come. This is your V1. V1 matlab simple future tense. And we could change to perfect tense. Perfect means V3. So here will have come. Why come I am here come students? Because come present tense में भी होता है और उसका जो past participle वो भी कम होता है. V3 भी कम है. Come, came, come. So again I have written here come. Next, they will be playing in the park. So will be playing. This is your V4. This is your continuous tense. Okay. So we have to change this to V1 future tense. Simple. So playing will become play. So will play. Next, they will have finished the project. So they will have. Will have matlab your perfect tense with V3. Now we have to change this to continuous. Continuous means your V4. ing. They will be finishing the project. So here will be finishing. Next, I will have been singing different kinds of songs. So will have been plus before. So this is your perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. And you have to change this to simple future tense. Means we have to write V1. So singing का first form क्या होता है? Sing. So will sing different kinds of songs. Okay, students. So with this, I hope you have understood how to change the tense. Now we'll do quick recapitulation. We will revise. We will recapitulate what we have studied in the previous lecture and today's lecture. So we'll tense studied was present tense. So in present tense, we studied simple present tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Students, simple present tense means your V1, okay, and with singular subjects you will have S or ES in your main verb. So here S is added to draws. So he draws, she draws, it draws. Now next is plural subject. So with this you will have V1, no S or ES. In negative sentence you will have does not or do not. So in negative sentence here you will have do not and does not. For singular you will have does, and for plurals you will have do. So here they do not draw, we do not draw, you do not draw, I do not draw. And for this she does not draw, she does not draw, he does not draw. So this is a simple present tense. Now come to the continuous tense. Students, remember continuous tense means always your fourth form, that is ing form. In each and every tense you will have for continuous before. So with before you have to select one of these helping verbs. For he, she, it, you have to use is. For they, you, we have to use are, and for I, we have to use am. Okay, students. Now let's see the next one. Perfect. Perfect means your V3. Either your present perfect, future perfect, or past perfect, you will have V3. So here in present, we have to use auxiliary has or have. So here with singular subjects, has, and with plural subjects, have. So here with singular, he has fallen, she has fallen, it has fallen. And with plural, they have fallen, we have fallen, you have fallen, and I have fallen. Now we'll talk about perfect continuous tense. So again, continuous matlab V4. And with this, we have has or have plus been and before. So with singular subjects, we will have has been, and with plural subjects, we will have been. Okay, students? So this was your present tense. Now we see the past tense. So for past tense, first is your simple past tense, second past continuous, third past perfect, and fourth past perfect continuous tense. Now in simple past you have V2. So here he drew, she drew, it drew, they drew, we drew, you drew, and I drew. So here for all the singular and plurals, you will have second form of the main verb. Next is continuous tense. Continuous means your V4, and you have to use these auxiliary verbs. For singular and I, you have to use was, and for plurals, we have to use were. So he, she, it, I will have was, they, we, you will have were. Next is past perfect tense. So for past perfect tense,
Students, stay continued for some time. Because of network issue, I think Rinki ma'am has been left. She'll join us again. So continue with us.
now we have studied the tense. Now last one is your future perfect continuous tense. So here with future perfect continuous tense, again you will have your auxiliary verb either will or shall, and with that you will have with all the singular and plural subjects. You will have been plus before. So today we covered all the three tenses, that is our present, past tense, and future tense. And now I will start your textual